Namaste. Now we will learn the shloka. This shloka is used or is told when you wake up from your bed. So early morning, when you wake up from your bed, you have to chant this shloka. Fine. So usually how do I chant is, so when you want to chant this shloka, you have to get up from your bed with the closed eyes, open your hands, make your palm like this. You will look at your palm like this, but without your eyes open. You will chant the shloka, then rub your palm, just give a little massage to your facial muscle. Then again take the palm out, slowly open your eyes, look at your palm, close the hands, then you will wake up. So this is how you are supposed to chant this stotra. Fine. So now let us learn this shloka. Karaagre. Kara means hand. So you are looking at your hand while saying this shloka, right? So I am saying Karaagre vasate vasate Lakshmi Karaagre vasate Lakshmi. Please stop here. Repeat it 3 to 5 times. Repeat Karaagre vasate Lakshmi. So this means I am saying there is a goddess by the name Lakshmi. She is residing in my hand. So Lakshmi is known for the wealth. Repeat it 3 to 5 times. Karaagre vasate Lakshmi. Kara madhye, press the dha little, madhye Saraswati Kara madhye Saraswati. So I am saying here there is one more goddess by the name Saraswati. She is known for the knowledge. Okay, so she is residing in the middle of my hand. So this is what the meanings. Okay, Kara madhye Saraswati. Kara madhye Saraswati. Repeat it 3 to 5 times. So till you are comfortable in pronouncing the words and the letters with the right pronunciation. So first one, Karaagre vasate Lakshmi. I hope you are ready now with this. Next, if you are ready with this, we'll go for next. If you are not, pause it here, keep rewinding, repeating. Kara madhye Saraswati. Kara madhye Saraswati. Karaagre vasate Lakshmi. Kara madhye Saraswati. Keep repeating. Karaagre vasate Lakshmi. Kara madhye Saraswati. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Pause it here. Repeat. Next, we'll go for that. If you are ready, we'll go for next. Karamule stithe Gauri. Karamule stithe Gauri. I'll repeat. Kara Mule is a corner. In the corner of my hand, there is a Devi Parvati, Devi Gauri. In the place of Gauri, sometimes we can also say Devi. Karamule, Stite is placed, situated. Stite, Gauri. Instead of a Gauri, we can also tell Devi. Karamule stite Gauri. Prabhate means Prabha means in the early morning. Karadarshanam. Make sure your tongue will come near your teeth. Karadarshanam. So I am looking at my hands. I am praying all these goddesses for the wealth, for bravery, for courage, for education, for knowledge. So Devi Gauri resembles the courage and braveness. Fine. So we'll repeat. Karamule sthite Gauri. Repeat it 3 to 5 times. Karamule sthite Gauri. Karamule sthite Gauri. Prabhate Karadarshanam. Prabhate Karadarshanam. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Prabhate Karadarshanam. We'll put it together. Karamule sthite Gauri. Prabhate Karadarshanam. Repeat it 2 to 3 times. Karamule sthite Gauri. Prabhate Karadarshanam. Wonderful. So, if you are ready with this, say it 2 to 3 times or say it more than 5 times also. If you are ready, we'll go from the beginning. Karaagre vasate Lakshmi. Karamadhye Saraswati. Karamule sthite Gauri. Prabhate Karadarshanam. I'll increase the speed now. I'll put the tune at the end. Karaagre vasate Lakshmi. Karamadhye Saraswati. Karamule sthite Gauri. Prabhate Karadarshanam. Okay? We'll put it little more. Now I'll tell you where and all you need to stress. Karaagre vasate Lakshmi, flat 1. Karamadhye dha Saraswati. Karamule sthite Gauri. Prabhate Karadarshanam. I hope you are now ready for the tune. If you are not, please repeat 2 to 3 times. Here we'll put the tune. Karaagre vasate Lakshmi. Karamadhye Saraswati. Karamule sthite Gauri. Prabhate Karadarshanam. So this is the shloka that you will be saying when. So when you wake up from your bed. Fine. So thank you so much. Practice this. We have one more shloka. What to tell after this. Okay, we'll learn that soon. So until then, keep practicing this. If you have any doubt, please leave me a message. And feedback is very much appreciated. Thank you.